And then, okay, I thought, now Indian consumers and all of us will actually start thinking that, okay, we need to start thinking about the country, and we'll start
Boost our
flourishing
economy.
again. We were on a rise. We are
Okay.
still on a rise,
Okay.
but overall the potential for Indian manufacturing is immense. It's
Yes.
huge.
Yes.
Uh, when 2022,
Mm-hmm.
we really started thinking on it, and we said, okay, we need to initiate it.
Mm-hmm.
So without taking anybody's help, first is we took an initiative.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's take a shot. Let's take an initiative.
Correct.
So I started gathering all this information, and we went to we had a consultant, and we went to DGTR,
Yes.
and then they accepted our case.
Okay.
The first thing was accepting the case.
Yes.
Does it really? Are you uh, for a country? Does it make sense to put up a case or not?
Or not.
So that is something very important. So 2022 they accepted our case.
Correct.
By the end of 2023 they applied.
Yes.
Okay, and then there is a process.
Mm-hmm.
They have to call all the manufacturers from China. They have to call a lot of traders. They need to call a lot of manufacturers, and then take a cohesive and consensus
Mm-hmm.
that what do you think? What do you think? So, and then there has been a finding.
Correct.
That is called finding.
Okay.
And there was hearing as well.
Okay.
So first was investigation acceptance. Second was hearing, which is a meeting. Third was finding,
Correct.
and then it is application. That is applied.
And I wanted to add on this that China plus one is real, because people want to move a lot of bases to India or Southeast Asia, and I've spoken to a lot of other automotive aerospace companies, and they are also keeping their agenda China plus one policy and to build up in India. On a lighter note, I want to say, how big was the file, sir?
How big was
The
the
file. On a lighter note,
file?
because when you go to, because you must have collected a lot of documents on, like, I don't know how big was the
Well,
file.
it was quite extensive. You
Okay.
require a lot of data, a
Yeah.
lot of understanding on your
Okay.
cost, a lot of understanding on how you manufacture.
Okay.
There would be an investigation officer which would be coming at your facility.
Yes.
They will do their due diligence. They will
Correct.
check everything,
Yes.
the records, data. So after all of these,
Mhm.
it's a massive exercise.
Okay.
It's a massive exercise.
Do you think anti-dumping will help bring a level playing field for Indian manufacturers? And is 5 years tenure is good enough, or it should be extended?
See, when it comes to level playing field, the time will tell.
Okay.
It is just initiated.
Okay.
You have to give some time,
Okay.
because there will be a lot of pre-imported equipment was already is there in the country. Mm, I think a lot of manufacturers are now having a very strong synergy
Mm-hmm.
that this is a good move
Okay.
by the government,
Okay.
and the initiative which I took
Mhm.
personally. I initially felt that I have delayed the process. Now, I don't know why I was taking it on too personal ground as a country to safeguard the country,
Yeah.
but I think I've delayed the process. But yes, there I durust hai.
Yes.
Okay, and I think now a lot of people are in consensus, and they're supporting the cause.